Welcome to a world where precision meets personality. This determined visionary arrives at the chair today with a magnificent canvas of natural volume, carrying a look that has served its purpose but is now ready for a high-level evolution. We are not just performing a service here. We are executing a transformation that demands absolute technical mastery. Looking at the authentic texture of the hair, you can see the potential for something truly breathtaking. The consultation is the first step in this masterful journey where the stylist and the client align their visions to create a silhouette that commands respect. Every great transition begins with a clear understanding of the facial structure and the hair's natural flow. As we prepare to take years off the appearance, the atmosphere in the shop is electric. This is the moment where we move from the familiar to the extraordinary, starting with a clean slate and a commitment to excellence. The process begins with surgical precision. This determined visionary requires a look that balances contemporary edge with timeless sophistication. We start by removing the excess bulk, honoring the density of the hair while preparing the sides for a seamless transition. Every movement of the clippers is intentional, following the contour of the scalp with unwavering focus. Notice how the stylist handles the volume, sectioning the hair to ensure that the final result is balanced and proportional. We are laying the groundwork for a masterpiece, focusing on the foundation before we even think about the details. This is the respectful canvas rule in action. We treat the starting state with admiration, recognizing the growth that led to this moment. As the initial bulk falls away, the true shape of the transformation begins to emerge, revealing a sharper, more defined profile that highlights the client's best features. The journey has truly begun. Now we enter the phase of technical grind where the mastery of the tools becomes paramount. This determined visionary is opting for a burst fade, a style that requires incredible control around the ears and temples. The stylist sets the bald line with absolute confidence, creating a high contrast starting point that will eventually blend into the natural texture on top. Using the lever open and lever close techniques, the transition becomes an exercise in gradient perfection. There is no room for error when you are working with such high visibility. Every pass of the blade is a testament to years of dedicated practice and an eye for symmetry. We are looking for that surgical look, clean, crisp, and undeniably professional. The hum of the motor is the soundtrack to this evolution, and you can see the client's confidence begin to build as the lines become sharper and the blend becomes smoother with every single stroke. The signature of this transformation is the iconic Mohawk peak. This determined visionary wants a look that stands out in any crowd, and that means the back must be just as impressive as the front. We are crafting a V shape in the back, a technical challenge that requires perfect alignment with the spine and the crown. The stylist uses a combination of clipper over comb and freehand techniques to ensure the hair stands with strength and purpose. We are not just cutting hair, we are building a structure. The texture on top is kept long enough to provide movement, but short enough to maintain a modern aesthetic. It's about finding that perfect equilibrium between raw energy and refined style. As the V shape takes form, the silhouette becomes unmistakable. This is the point where the transformation moves from a standard cut to a legend cut, a style that speaks volumes without the client ever having to say a single word. Transitioning from clippers to shears, we focus on the top of the head where the artistry truly shines. This determined visionary possesses a thickness that is a stylist's dream, allowing for deep texturizing that adds depth and dimension. The shears move with a rhythm that is almost musical, removing weight where necessary while keeping the length that gives the mohawk its character. We are looking for mind-blowing movement, hair that looks just as good in motion as it does in a still photograph. Every snip is calculated to enhance the natural curl or wave pattern, ensuring that the style is easy for the client to maintain at home. We treat every strand with respect, acknowledging that the top is the crowning glory of this entire project. As the texture is refined, you can see the weight of the old look literally falling away, replaced by a light, airy, and incredibly sharp new identity. Transitioning from clippers to shears, we focus on the top of the head where the artistry truly shines. This determined visionary possesses a thickness that is a stylist's dream, allowing for deep texturizing that adds depth and dimension. The shears move with a rhythm that is almost musical, removing weight where necessary while keeping the length that gives the mohawk its character. We are looking for mind-blowing movement, hair that looks just as good in motion as it does in a still photograph. Every snip is calculated to enhance the natural curl or wave pattern, ensuring that the style is easy for the client to maintain at home. We treat every strand with respect, acknowledging that the top is the crowning glory of this entire project. As the texture is refined, you can see the weight of the old look literally falling away, replaced by a light, airy, and incredibly sharp new identity. In the modern world of grooming, we have tools that can take a great cut and make it legendary. This determined visionary has opted for a touch of enhancements to fill in any naturally lighter spots and to make the hairline pop with even more intensity. The airbrush is used with a light touch, ensuring that the color blends naturally with the existing hair. We are not hiding anything. We are simply magnifying the excellence that is already there. The result is a high-definition finish that looks incredible under any lighting. It adds that record label quality to the appearance, making the client look like the star of their own story. Whether in the boardroom or on the field, this look is designed to command attention. The combination of natural skill and modern technology creates a transition that is truly remarkable, proving that when you invest in yourself, the results are always worth the effort. Before we reach the climax, we provide a moment of luxury. This determined visionary deserves a moment of relaxation amidst the high-energy process. The hot towel treatment softens the skin and prepares the beard area for a surgical shave. We use premium shaving creams that provide a rich lather, ensuring the razor glides without any irritation. This isn't just about grooming, it's about the experience. The stylist moves with a calm confidence, reflecting the masterful technique that has been displayed throughout the entire video. As the razor removes the final remnants of the old look, the skin appears rejuvenated and radiant. This is the calm before the final reveal, a moment for the client to breathe and prepare for the new version of themselves. The final polish is all about the details, wiping away the excess, applying a soothing aftershave, and ensuring the client feels as good as they are about to look. The final styling is where the vision becomes reality. This determined visionary is treated to high-end products, from matte clays to texturizing sprays that hold the mohawk in place while allowing it to look natural and touchable. The stylist uses their fingers to piece out the sections, creating a phenomenal look that is full of life and energy. We are aiming for a look that is next level, something that sets a new standard for what a transformation can be. Every strand is placed with intention, ensuring that the height and the volume are perfectly balanced. You can see the reflection in the mirror starting to change. The client is no longer the person who walked in. They are now a style seeker who has found exactly what they were looking for. The transformation is nearly complete, and the momentum is building toward the final reveal that will leave everyone in the room speechless. This is the moment we have all been waiting for. The cape is removed, and this determined visionary stands up to see the final result. The reaction is absolutely incredible. Look at that radiance and the sinister smile of someone who knows they look their absolute best. From a full natural canvas to a sharp surgical mohawk fade, the transition is a masterpiece of modern grooming. The side profile shows the mind-blowing blend, while the back V-shape stands as a testament to technical excellence. This is more than a haircut. It is a total redefine of their identity. The client's newfound confidence is palpable, a game changer for how they will carry themselves in the world moving forward. We celebrate this victory together, the stylist's skill and the client's vision coming together in a spectacular display of artistry and respect. This is what it means to be a professional in this industry. If you are inspired by this incredible evolution, remember that your own transformation is only a chair away. This determined visionary has shown us what is possible when you trust a master with your canvas. Thank you for joining us on this journey of precision and style. Make sure to like this video if you appreciate the artistry, and follow us for more high-energy transformations that redefine the game. We are committed to excellence, one client at a time. Until next time, stay sharp, stay confident, and always aim for the next level. Your journey to a better look starts now. Click the link in the bio to experience the legendary service for yourself and become the next success story in our chair. We'll see you at the next transformation.